key to success. That key to success is not just investing, it's not just trading, it's the combination of the two. When you combine the two, you just optimize your return, you maximize your return. Because if you're just doing one of the two, you're not just you know you're not doing the maximizing of the return. In fact, you're missing out on a lot of things. See, if you're just trading and you're not investing, you don't have a long-term portfolio, you are just trading. If you're just trading, then it's a short way to lose it all. If you don't stop, you would lose it all, because you'll be taking higher risk when you're trading on all the capital that you have. And if you don't stop, you'll just lose out on everything that you have. And if you're just investing, let's say, if you're just investing and you do not know how to earn that regular income on the portfolio, how to earn that trading income, how to generate that income, you don't know, you're just investing every month, you're building a portfolio for long term, then I can tell you that it's a longer route to the freedom. You'll get there, but it's a longer route to freedom, because it'll take you 20-25 years for you to build a portfolio big enough to give you the freedom. Now, if you're like 30-35 right now, 20-25 right now, 40-45 right now, 50 years of age, and you are looking to build a portfolio and just investing, 20-25 years would mean that you'll be like 60-65 when you actually get there. Do you really want that freedom when you are like 60-65? Now, there are better ways to do things. You can narrow down that, you can speed up this whole process by combining the two, investment plus trading. Harsh, if you made the payment, super. Sai, if you made the payment, amazing. I'll confirm everyone's payment. So, you need to combine the two, and this will speed up the entire process, and then it will not take 20-25 years, right? This is what people do. This is what people are doing. They are just accumulating every month. They take out money, put it out for long-term investment, and they're trying to build a portfolio. Now, if you're doing this, as I said, it'll take 20-25 years for you to get there. You'll get there for sure, but it'll take you 20-25 years for you to be able to do it. If you want to shorten this process, follow what I do. I employ two more strategies here. I also put money every time when the market falls at a lower price. I also do that, but I also employ two more strategies which would really make a difference, okay? Which would really make a difference. And what are these two strategies that would really speed up the whole process for you? Now, these two strategies are these two, okay? Earning from the portfolio and trading income. So earning from the portfolio is that regular monthly income that I talk about. Every month you'll be earning a regular income on the portfolio, and you'll be putting it back and buying more number of shares. And in this journey of Freedom Investor, you'll also be learning about trading income, how to generate that trading income, and whatever trading income that we make goes back in the portfolio and we buy more number of shares, right? So what we're doing is, we are not doing just this. This is what people are doing. They are just accumulating, hoping price will go up and they'll make money in future 10, 15, 20 years down the line, right? Now, what we do, Prashant, if you made the payment, superb. Harsh, I'll be confirming everybody's payment. Now, we are doing these two. So we are earning from the portfolio, and whatever we are earning, we are buying more number of shares. Trading income goes back and we buy more number of shares. So what's happening is, we are increasing the number of shares that we have. So number of shares go up, share price go up, and as a result, our stock portfolio, our net worth will start to rise rapidly. I'll give you an example. Let's say you and your neighbor both buy Bajaj Finance at the same level, at the same platform. You buy Bajaj Finance, you buy it for 10 lakh rupees. Your neighbor also buys Bajaj Finance for 10 lakh rupees, but you know a skill by which you can increase the number of shares in your portfolio. You can earn from the portfolio, put it back and buy more number of shares. Trading income again goes back and you buy more number of shares. So you are increasing the number of shares in your portfolio. You know the skill. Your neighbor doesn't know it. What would happen after, let's say, 1 year? After 1 year, let's say, even if the Bajaj Finance went up by 10%, 15%, since you're increasing the number of shares in your portfolio, your wealth would be slightly more than your neighbor after a year. Now, what would happen after 2 years, 3 years? This gap will keep widening because you are increasing the number of shares in your portfolio, which your neighbor is not doing. So you are not just dependent on the share price. Your number of shares are also going up. So the speed of wealth creation will increase because both will go up. We are investing in good quality company. The price in any case will go up. The number of shares are also going up. That'll make a huge difference. Next time when Bajaj Finance announces a dividend, you will get more dividend because you are increasing the number of shares in your portfolio. Next time when there is a dividend announcement or a bonus share announcement, you'll get more of bonus shares because you have more number of shares compared to your neighbor, because you know a skill by which you'll be able to increase the number of shares in your portfolio. And what happens when number of shares go up, share price go up? What would happen? The portfolio value will start to go up. It'll start to rise and rise rapidly. The portfolio value will swell, okay? And it'll swell to such a great level that we would be able to get the freedom that we all aspire for, right? This freedom that we all aspire for, it would not take 20, 25 years. In fact, it'll take much lesser time. Much lesser time. You'll have bull run, bear run. Bull run, everything is going up. Like right now, anything that you buy will go up. Everyone is a genius right now. You buy anything, it'll go up. The real test of your knowledge and your portfolio is when we have a bear run, when the market is going down, that's when you need to hedge. That's what you'll be learning. In that beginner's course only, you'll be able to learn this. And when the market goes down, it goes down fast. So we have an opportunity of making that trading income as well. And whatever we earn goes back in the portfolio. So we are also buying at lower levels as well. You need to understand and implement this blueprint in order to speed up this process. Okay. And this is something that I've done for myself. Okay. And this is something that I'll teach you as well, because I was able to do it and you follow the same footstep, because I'll be telling you when am I investing, when am I putting, making that position for regular income, and that regular income, whatever we earn, goes back and we buy more number of shares. So we're not just depending on, putting money from our own pocket. We are also earning from the market and putting it in our portfolio and increasing the number of shares that we have. Raghavendra, if you made the payment, superb. I'll confirm everybody's payment. So this is something that you need to learn and implement, because this will really be the differentiator, because people are just accumulating in hope that things would be better in the future. And, they'll get there in case if they're investing in the right kind of things, they'll get there, but it'll take 20, 25 years. If you want to shorten this process, this is something that would help you. Okay. It will help you in accumulating the portfolio, will help you earning from the portfolio and trading income. In fact, you will be able to, in fact, in case if you're looking for that financial freedom, what you can do is you can look to increase the size of the portfolio, because the portfolio size goes up, earning from the portfolio will also go up. And this earning is going back in the portfolio. So it's all interlinked, right? And once you're able to earn enough every month, which can replace your current income, then you can look to do something which you are passionate about. Like I was passionate about stock market, right? That's something that you can do. It's a process that you need to follow, and I'll be telling you about it, all about it, how it is done, right? All right, so this is that link. It is for the first 20 people. You can get in if you want. Now, some of the feedbacks that I've got from my training. Now, this gentleman, he's a businessman from Ludhiana, and then what he has to say. I was taking an evening session on technical analysis, and he says, Modib bhai, you are a genius. More than your knowledge, teaching skills are wonderful. Even dumb can take some lessons. And then he goes on to say that your interpretation is wonderful. Anyway, you're much younger, but you're a master. And this is another one. Now, this guy, Amit, he's an IAS officer. He's also an IAMS pass out. And I was taking an evening session on investment. And this is what he says. He says, last evening session on the analysis of the top 10 stocks and how they moved around in the last 10 years was very useful. Very good session from you. So coming from him, I was really happy, because he's a smart guy. He's an IAS officer. He worked closely with Modi government. Modi government won from 2014 till 2019. And I was happy to get this feedback, because he's really a smart chap and a bright guy. Some of the trainings that I've taken for NSE, this one is at NSE's office in Delhi. And this one is for ICICI HNI client. HNI is high net worth individuals. And if you're wondering where I am, okay, I'm here in the background, okay? And this is the course that I'm talking about, and this is a phenomenal course, and you are going to learn a way by which you can make a regular income and build a portfolio for long-term wealth building. And you can, you're building wealth not just for yourself, but for your next generation as well. You must learn. It's your moral responsibility to learn and teach your younger ones, just the way I am doing right now. You have this moral responsibility as well. Your younger one should know about, money and investment early on. Nobody taught us this when we were younger. Nobody taught us, right? It is your responsibility to teach them about money. Sooner they learn, the better it is. And you must learn yourself in order to teach the next generation, and they'll be, much more equipped to invest and build that portfolio for themselves, right? Rishi, if you're an option writer, you must come in. You love it. Okay. I love option trading. Okay. You would love it here. All right. So, we have a lot of people here, a lot of doctors. I'll just play a little video from here. Let's just play this one. This gentleman on the top left, he's a doctor. Okay. This is what he has to say.
So I'm really happy. The course is fantastic. I mean, it's wonderful, and it's really simple. And then those videos are really small. I mean, you can just take a bite. Like you can see a video in 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You get the entire view of the entire topic. So it's great. I mean, you just don't have to spend too much of time at a stretch to understand a thing. So that's really put in you've taken a lot of effort. I must commend you. You've done a great job. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Glad. Okay, awesome. So, what I'll do is I'll now be confirming everybody's name. Okay. I'll just read a couple of them, the feedbacks. I've got loads of it, loads of video testimony, loads of written feedback. Now, Vikas is saying every indicator has its own importance. We need to combine 2 or more indicators in order to have confidence in trade. I read several books on technical analysis, but the way you teach is wonderful and complete my studies. I really brushed up my skills, feeling more confident in making trades. Thank you, Modit sir. I'm lucky to have a mentor like you. I've got loads of feedback. Now, this one I'll go through again. Now, how many of you are interested in future and option? Future and option derivative market. You want to learn and master it. If you want to learn it, just type I in the comment box. Just type I in the comment box because you're in for something really special. Okay. Now, this guy, Girish, he's an option trader, and he's an option trader who's been trading. He's an experienced option trader, trading for 1 or 2 years. And then what he says, he went through my future and option course, which you will get access to. Okay. I'll give you that surprise. So Girish here is saying, I've completed your future and option training today, and I'm very happy to learn the strategies and all the details about the options. I'm doing training for last 1 or 2 years, but never got this much information about options and future. Really very happy that I took a good decision yesterday and enrolled for your course. Now, you're going to get the same future and option course, and I get this a lot. People enroll and they feel happy about it, that they decided to enroll, and you spend a couple of months learning here, and I can tell you, your knowledge about the stock market would be far ahead than any of your friends or family members, even your office colleague, even the bank or the broker's relationship manager who probably is coming to your house. Your knowledge would be much better. Okay. So I get this a lot. People, look back at that decision and they feel happy about it. So I've already played this video, so I won't do that. Okay. So you are going to get some super courses as gifts. Okay. Now these are some of the courses that you're going to get. I've already told you about the trend analysis course and this beginner's guide to stock market. The trend analysis course will help you understand the trend, candlestick pattern, price pattern, shapes, support and resistance, moving averages, trend lines, all of that, RSI, Bollinger Band, all of that you'll be learning here. Just these 3 courses put together is for 25,997. It'll be like Netflix, as I said. You'll be able to access them online anytime you want. 1 o'clock at night, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, anytime you want, you'll be able to access them. You have lifetime access to them, right? And this is that course that you're going to be getting. It's called Mastering Future and Options. And, it's not understanding or knowing, it's about mastering it. Okay. If you ever wondered what happens in future and option, you have no idea what it is, you want to understand and learn, this is your chance. Okay. You'll be learning about future market, options market, call and put. You'll be learning about the delta, theta, gamma, volatility, everything. You'll be learning about the strategies that you can make, when to sell options, when to buy an option. How does the derivative market impacts the cash market? Avinash, if you made the payment, superb. I wanna congratulate you for this, and I'll be confirming everybody's name. Okay, don't worry. This course alone is for 9,999, and you are going to learn some tremendous knowledge here, which is going to be putting you in a different league, because not many people even know about future and options, and how to practically implement it. It's something that not many people know, and you'll be someone who would actually get to know how you can actually practically, not just theory, how you can practically actually implement it. All of that you'll be learning. Okay. Now, this course put together, all the 4 courses would be for 35,996. Plus, we'll keep having these option boot camp and these technical analysis boot camp. In fact, what I'm planning now is I'm planning to have 15 consecutive days of understanding future and option. I'll be starting that in February. Okay, wherein every day for half an hour, maybe 15-20 minutes, half an hour, we'll meet and we'll discuss one concept on future, one concept on options. Next day we again meet and discuss one concept. So this way you'll be able to understand this, and this is something that you'll be doing for next 15 days. I'll be starting off that in February. It's not part of the promise to the 3,500 people that I have, but I want to help them. And I was thinking what I can do in order to help them, and this idea came to my head that I can have 15 days of non-stop classes wherein we discuss what's happening in the market, and especially in future and option market. This will give you clarity about the future and option market. We'll start from the basic and go all the way to the top for 15 days. I want to do this in February, and if you get in, you'll be able to access this, and all of it would be recorded too. So you'll get the recording too. Anytime you want to go back to the recording and refresh all what we have done and discussed, you'll be able to do that. Okay, we are planning to do that in Feb for 15 days consecutive basis. We'll be talking about future and option and learning the basics of future and option and how you can actually put that to use so that you can start earning that regular income as well. Yeah, Kamlesh, if you made the payment, superb. Avinash, awesome. I'll confirm everybody's payment. You'll also be getting this mutual fund course. It's a 3-day course, and this mutual fund course, I can tell you, this would be the only course that you would ever require to do in order to build a portfolio of a mutual fund. Now you'll learn about different funds, debt fund, equity mutual funds, how to evaluate a fund. If I give you 2 funds, how do you know which one is better? You'll get to learn here. You'll get to learn here how to pick a better fund, how to build that winning mutual fund portfolio. All of that you'll be learning here. This is for 8,999, and again, you'll have lifetime access to this. And all these courses again would be available to you all the time. Just the way you're looking at them right now, you just have to click on one of the courses and start your learning, and you have lifetime access to them. And in future, I'll keep updating these courses. Okay, so that you have the latest course available to you, and you'll be getting it at no extra cost. Okay, so that's the benefit that you get. I'll keep updating these courses every couple of years. Okay, awesome. So if you have got the course, Soumya, awesome. I'll confirm everybody's payment. Now, one question for you right now. The question is, can you learn everything about the stock market in a day or two? Can you learn everything about the stock market by going to a classroom program or an online course? Can you learn everything? No, you can't. Especially if you go to a classroom program where, the retention is only 30%. And after a year, that's only 10%. The beauty about an online course is that you can just visit and keep refreshing your memory. Once you learn it, you spend some time in the market, come back and learn more, again the same course, and you'll be able to get more insights. Your learning will continue here because you can access them anytime you want. And of course, you can't learn everything about the stock market in a day or two. If you learn something, let's say in 2019, 2020 turned out to be a different year. 2021 would be much different from 2020. So that keeps changing. And that's why regular mentorship is something that would help you. And this is what you get here. There'll be a live coaching call every Wednesday, a live call wherein we'll be talking about what's happening right now. And this will help you understand the market much better. You learn about future and option technical analysis. And most importantly, I'll be teaching you how am I generating a regular income on the portfolio. You just need to spend a couple of months here and you'll be a master in technical analysis, because this happens every week. It gets recorded too. You'll have all the recordings, even of the past masterminds. This is what we do here. We learn about how to earn that regular income. We learn about future and option. We learn about technical analysis. We learn about the investment opportunities that we have. I'll be taking up your questions. All of them put together is for 5995, Sahil. I know it's hard to believe. I know it's hard to believe that I'm offering all this for just 5995, including the GST. Well, I'm doing that because my intention is to help you. Why am I doing that 15 days of regular classes? I've not promised anybody this. I'm doing it because my intention is to help. And you get in and you'll understand. Okay. Now this is for 11,999. Put together this is called the Freedom Bundle. Okay. This will put you on the fast track to that freedom. Okay. Whatever I did, I'll be teaching you that. It's for 55,995. Plus, don't forget that you also get this Telegram group in which you get lifetime access. This alone is for 5995, wherein you are going to get an information about what am I doing in the market, when am I buying, which stocks am I buying. You'll get to know that. I'll be telling you when am I buying it. So you will get to know how to buy low and what all things to look at, because I like to buy when the price is low. Okay, you'll get to learn that. In fact, I'll be sharing it with you. Whatever I'm doing in the market, I'll be sharing that with you. Also, whenever I'm making that information, income generation position, I'll be sending a message to you so that you can also do it, implement it. And in our Wednesdays mastermind, the live coaching call, I'll be giving you the details as to why I made a position like that. Okay, so you will get access to all this, lifetime access, lifetime. Okay, and it is for 5995 only. And I've got loads of feedback. I'll just read one of them. Ashish here is saying Modit is very focused and clear, very organized. No confusion, and what more we want, we have lifetime access to him. One must do his course. Highly recommended. Okay, so you can just join by going on to that link. The total value is 55,995. What I'll do is I'll give you some time. I'll give you some time to enter. Okay, let me just check on the time right now. The time right now is, let me check. Okay, yeah, the time right now is almost 1 o'clock. Okay, what I'll do is I'll give you 10 minutes to get in. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes to get in. Yeah, so let me just do that. Okay, I'll just run the timer right now. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes to get in.